Hello, everyone. My name is Leslie Thomas, and I'm a product manager working on Viva Connections. And today we are going to show you a demo of the new Viva Connections home experience that will start rolling out in Q1 and will generally be available in the first half of calendar year 2023. But before we get started on that, let's do a quick recap on Microsoft Viva and Viva Connections. So Microsoft Viva is the employee experience platform within Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Teams, and is the application suite that brings together all the apps and tools into a solution that enables connection, insight, purpose, and growth. So as you can see here, we got a set of Viva apps that span those needs, and in this session, we will focus on the connection area. That ensures that the employees are informed, included, and inspired. Viva Connections play an important role here, and it plays a dual role in the suite because one is the front door or home for the suite that you can easily discover and find your way to any of the Viva apps directly from Connections, and it provides a surface that brings together news, announcements, conversation, apps, tasks, and resources all tailored to unique needs of employees and organizations. So quickly recapping the Connections experience we started at the beginning of 2022, on mobile, the experience has three tabs, has dashboard, feed, and resources. And on desktop, we include the home site or top portal for the intranet. And this is a customer-owned canvas and layout with curated content that the customers chooses to include. We continue with our journey with Connections and are introducing a new experience on desktop. So with that, let's dive right into it. So the new Viva Connection experience will become the home of the Viva suite. And with this new experience, we substantially reduce the amount of time needed for you all to deliver a valuable experience to employees within your organization by starting you off with some default out-of-the-box designs that can quickly and easily be set up by you. So the new desktop experience will feel a lot like an enhanced version of the mobile experience. It'll prominently feature the dashboard, resources, and feed. The new home experience will also offer additional navigational elements that showcase your existing home site and other Viva experiences. With Viva Connections desktop and mobile experiences, they will offer the ability to deliver tailored content, dynamic user content, and experience to people within your organization that range from Viva apps within a suite to any line of business solution that exists within your organization and any custom third-party integrations you may have. And to add, the new home experience will automatically include the content from your existing home site and any previous configurations that you will have from your existing home site, which includes content created by partners and independent software vendors. So with that, let's explore the different Viva Home components. So, as you can see on my screen, at the top you have the Stripe and Common Navigation on the top. And this provides wayfinding to other Viva suites. So if you click here, it will load up a panel that you will then see different Viva modules that will appear within the Viva suite. Next, we have the header section. And the header section has a personalized greeting and is aware of morning, afternoon, and night. So at the time of me filming this video, it is the afternoon, so it's saying good afternoon. But in other parts of the day, it'll either say good morning or it'll say good evening. So on the top right corner is the link to the customer's existing home site. So for those of you who have invested a ton of resources into your SharePoint intranet and have a home site already, you should see this and it will automatically include it in the default experience with a link that users can use to navigate between the two experiences within the app. So users will always be able to easily switch between the two experiences. So to put that into action, you click here, it will take you to your existing home site. And then if you want to go back to the Viva Connections home experience, you'll click on the Viva Connections icon. And then it'll take you back to the Viva Connections home experience. So next we're going to talk about the dashboard. And the dashboard cards showcase apps and tools for easy task completion. So let's look at a few cards that demonstrate a broad spectrum of possibilities within dashboard. So starting off, you would be able to see cards such as the Viva Learning and the Viva Insights Praise card that allow for discovery of Viva value already out of the box to the end users. Other cards such as we have the Holidays card here, the weather card here, as well as the travel card here. These cards represent the power of adaptive cards as you can bring your custom workflows to life in Viva Connections. Next, we have the feed, which includes SharePoint, Yammer, and Stream content personalized to each user. And lastly, we have resources. And resources bring together your global navigation and frequently followed sites that will be dynamically updated for each user. So at the time of this recording demo in January 2023, this experience is in targeted release. And our customers are extremely excited about how simple the new experience is and how it enables admins to get started much faster with Viva Connections. So we can't wait for you to give this new experience a try within your organization.